Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be talking about how to start your LLC in Arkansas. I'm going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms that you're going to need, the name requirements, and how to actually register your Arkansas LLC. We're also going to be talking about two very important terms here that are registered agent and piercing the corporate veil. So do pay close attention to the video because you don't want to miss out on any of the important information. Arkansas has a business-friendly atmosphere for the LLCs. Over 7,000 LLCs are formed in a year in Arkansas. The state has earned the 5th position in the nationwide index for the cost of living and the 8th for the business tax climate. So you can start off your Arkansas LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or you can send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Now, coming on to a very common question, but a very important question. What exactly is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in Arkansas, you mainly have to file a certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $50. Now, what are you getting with ZenBusiness? You're getting a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only service formation out there that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form an LLC. It is a suitable plan for you if you want a budget-friendly LLC formation plan. The starter plan is starting at $0. However, the mandatory state filing fees must be paid to the state. It is cost-effective and it offers all the essential services such as your registered agent and operating agreement draft. Coming on to the Pro plan, it offers some essential additional services along with your main services which are offered in the starter plan. Also, in the Pro plan, you get expedited filing. So what else are you getting in this plan? You're getting advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, along with speeding up of your filing process. The Premium plan is, however, the most costliest plan by ZenBusiness. It offers all the services related to the formation of your LLC. In addition to the services mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the Starter plan and the Pro plan, it offers a faster filing process, business website, domain, and an email address. In this video, we're going to be discussing option number 1 and number 2. But we're going to be placing emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure that you're doing your LLC work correctly. Now, this is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any misunderstandings. ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service, and you need that because forming an LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also on deciding a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with ZenBusiness. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can easily go there and check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're starting to form your LLC. This is where we begin our in-depth look into every step. Number 1 is choosing your business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember. It should be available in the state and should follow the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The specific requirements that need to be followed when you're naming your company is basically number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business in Arkansas can share that name. Each business name is very much unique to its owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. You cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or possibly misleading. So terms such as State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after you fill out the additional requirements by the state government. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name that you decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. Now, to keep the name, you have to file the name reservation application and pay $22.5 if you're doing it online or $25 if you're doing it by mail or in person. The second and highly vital step to forming an LLC in the state of Arkansas is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to be acting and working on your LLC's behalf. Now, this person is going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all official government correspondence within Arkansas. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Arkansas or at least has a physical street address there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address. So most LLC formation companies also do provide registered agent services. Like ZenBusiness, it provides a registered agent service as an add-on to your formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. A key thing to note when getting a registered agent is the importance of having one, but having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't really go after your personal assets. And if you're sued, the attorney who's the one who's suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. And this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork correctly? The third and another very important step in forming an LLC is to file the Certificate of Formation. The Arkansas Articles of Organization is a legal document which is needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. The Certificate of Formation includes the details like the name of your LLC, your registered agent, address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring your employees, one should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We personally suggest using ZenBusiness to file a Certificate of Formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any of the steps. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go, ask your questions, and they will respond. The fourth step is filing the operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. Now, this document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolution, and a lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing an Arkansas LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your entire business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service such as ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN, which is also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it much easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. An EIN is needed when the LLC starts hiring employees. Now, how do you get one? It's simple. All you have to do is go online, fill out the form, and you can send it off via mail or you can submit it to the IRS itself. Now, you can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness and they can help you out with the entire process. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there and check out which of the options fit your requirements. And for now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require.
Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verification compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business.
Now that you've created your Arkansas LLC, there's still a few things that you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Arkansas business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which is covering your employees. You also need to file the Arkansas LLC annual report. I really hope you enjoyed this comprehensive video on how to start an LLC in Arkansas. I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. I'll see you in the next video.